Welcome, my friend, to another episode of Money Back Mindfulness. I'm your host, Mamoon. Pleasure to be joining you across time and space. If you're feeling stressed out, fed up with life, overwhelmed, angry, tired, lonely, insecure, full of uncertainties, confusion, or simply just feeling negative, down and out, feeling scarcity, limitations, and lack. Perhaps you feel joyful, loving. Whatsoever you feel, just reminding you that you're not alone. So many people around the world that can relate to your pain. We're going to take some deep breaths and see if we can move some of the energy inside. See if we can come back to trust in the unfolding of life. See if we can let go of some of this anxiety about what's going to happen, what's not going to happen. If we're going to be able to survive or even thrive. Getting comfortable, getting in a nice seated position where you can be upright, aware of your posture. Aware of your space, taking in your surroundings without any judgment, just becoming aware of your space. The colors, the texture, the temperature, any smells, sounds. Gently close the eyes to become even more sensitive to the sounds. You're safe to close the eyes and look inwards, witnessing and welcoming any emotion inside, being with the pain, the frustrations, the fears. Relaxing your belly, dropping the shoulders away from your ears, relaxing your jaw, the lips, the forehead, the top of the head, relaxing your hands and your feet, relaxing your eyes, looking inside. Taking a deep breath in. Exhale, letting go of stress. Breathing in new life, new energy. And exhaling, letting go of the past. What's past is past. New opportunities to create, new opportunities to forgive, new opportunities to overcome the pain, to feel joy once again. Breathing in trust. Exhaling, letting go of fear. Feeling fear leave the mind, leave the body as you breathe in. And breathe out. Inhaling. Exhaling, letting go. Keeping aware of your posture, extending the spine so that you may be upright. Opening your chest, feeling your heart like a flower opening in the sunlight, releasing its own type of fragrance and beauty. Feeling a loving energy pouring into the chest, melting away anger, sadness, loneliness. Breathing in, breathing out. Full body breathes in. Full body exhale. Inhaling 3 times. Exhale 3 times. Inhaling 3 times. Exhaling 3 times. Following the rhythm. Taking a breath in, holding the breath at the top, and exhale, dropping your shoulders, relaxing the belly, relaxing your face, with closed eyes, looking in, witnessing and welcoming the mind as it is. In fact, if your mind has been wanting to think, now is the time to let your mind think. Letting go of thoughts, coming back into your body. Coming back into this present moment. Aware of the sensation of touch. Feeling your feet underneath you. Connecting to the stillness of the ground. connecting to your breath. Know that you're breathing, know that you're alive. You live to see another day, but it won't always be that way. Taking a breath in. Exhale. Breathing in trust for the unfolding of life. And exhale, let go of any resistance. No more swimming against the currents, swimming against the tides, but going with it. Having trust in the fold. That is your life. Sometimes feeling compressed, feeling so many limitations and boundaries. Just for a few moments looking inside, going inwards into the inner spaciousness, bringing all your attention inside. With closed eyes, look in. Relaxing the belly, relaxing your face, opening your heart, opening your mind, taking a breath in. Exhale. Breathing in. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Letting go of pain, letting go of past, letting go of future anxieties, worries. Just being here and now with all of your presence, just for a few seconds, being totally here. Becoming aware of your posture, aware of how you're sat, aware of your space, aware of how you feel. Taking one more deep breath for now. Holding the breath at the top. And exhale, letting go. The color for today is aqua. The number is 1,000,000. And the animal is a lion. I thank you for joining me across time and space, sending you a big hug, hoping that this video helped you to relax and to remember to trust in the unfolding of this crazy life. There's always going to bring its own challenges, but even those challenges are really blessings in disguise. Remembering this on your path, everything can be a blessing. Even the most misfortunate happenings have their own equivalent advantage. Blessing is really a fortunate thing when we run into obstacles. understanding the obstacles can help us see that they're not really against us, but in support of us. If you're looking for extra support, don't be shy to reach out. I thank you so much for following these videos and watching day by day. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Sending you love, sending you a wish for laughter, more playfulness, more fun. Wishing that you enjoy your day today and have a beautiful day. And with that, I will see you back here tomorrow with love.